He will have here.
Oh,
I don't know what.
now famous here.
Yeah. He will go here and there and there. Oh, the last time we came here, he put his hand in the hot water, so that's why he keep on crying.
Oh.
That's why I didn't bring because he will loves to put everything in water. He see water, kalas. He loves to go everywhere.
Because active this age, it's a problem.
Yeah.
That's the baby.
My mom is going home this coming Monday.
Oh. So you.
Yeah, he's kicking.
Oh, see, open the mouth. You are fasting today?
No, you didn't tell me.
Mm.
I eat in the morning.
So because early for GTT also. Later for all together, you can request now. She can come anytime for just for blood test.
Ah, okay. He's opening his mouth, I think, right?
Yeah.
See, I think so.
This is the heart.
And that is the heart?
It's the heart.
Ah.
No, active baby. Like, you know the female or male? You know, sir?
Yeah. It's female, right?
Female. Let's see, I didn't see now. I will check.
What is that?
22 2 days. This is the femur, the bone. Placenta down.
How is it? The last time he didn't move in the morning, so I was like, oh my god, not moving.
And now better the placenta because down.
And that time I have painful here.
Placenta down. But what time it's يعني when the progress the pregnancy it will be good. This time.
Because that time only my left, no right, my right arm is painful.
Maybe that time bowel, just the bowel, the
Bowel?
colon, يعني your bowel, yeah, gases like.
I don't know. I was like, I'm checking, and like around 3 o'clock, okay, it's moving, okay. Because
Maybe
this,
sleep sometimes, like yes.
because this one I always feel in the morning, afternoon, not much, but little.
The endometrium, it's near expiry. If the stock didn't come, or just that they have there for a month.
Okay.
Goes for progesterone.
Okay. Progesta too, yes.
Twice also.
Twice also, yeah. But maybe it's okay. Like keep if vagina, no problem.
Progesterone.